Whether you come from old money or you're nouveau riche, there's no better way to flaunt it than in a Rolls-Royce Ghost. This is a car with presence, a car for the 1/10 of 1%, and everyone knows it. The Ghost mimics the even more expensive Phantom sedan in both style and substance, offering an interior that's whisper quiet and impeccably outfitted with the finest materials. It's equipped with coach rear doors, just like the Phantom, that open like a pair of welcoming arms, a clear signal of upper-crust luxury. The ride is as smooth as polished aluminum, just like in other Rolls-Royces. Would you rather be chauffeured? No problem. Riding in the Ghost's rear compartment is a sybaritic experience as well. The exterior of this car features a sleek, aerodynamic design that is both powerful and refined. The front of the car is dominated by the iconic Rolls-Royce grille, which is surrounded by a glossy black frame and flanked by elegant, swept-back headlights. The hood is long and smooth, with subtle contours that give it a sporty look. The interior of the 2023 Rolls-Royce Ghost by MANSORY is truly a work of art. From the moment you step inside, you are surrounded by luxury and refinement. The car features a spacious, open cabin that is designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather and are both heated and cooled for maximum comfort. The front seats are also power adjustable and feature a massage function for added relaxation. One of the standout features of the Ghost MANSORY's interior is the use of high-quality materials. The dashboard and door panels are finished in wood or metal, depending on the owner's preference. The wood used is specially selected to match the color of the leather seat. The car also features a panoramic sunroof that provides an abundance of natural light and can be operated with the touch of a button. The Ghost MANSORY comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that is controlled by a large, high-resolution touchscreen display. The system includes navigation, as well as a premium sound system that is powered by a 1300-watt and 18-speaker system. The car also features a rear seat entertainment system that includes 2 high-definition displays, as well as a DVD player and a USB port. One of the most impressive features of the Ghost MANSORY's interior is the Starlight headliner. This unique feature uses fiber optic lights to create a starry sky effect on the ceiling. The lights can be adjusted to match the color of the interior and can even be set to mimic the night sky. The Ghost MANSORY's interior is also very spacious and provides ample room for both passengers and luggage. The trunk is large enough to accommodate several suitcases and can be accessed via a power-operated trunk light. The car also features a rear seat entertainment system that includes 2 high-definition displays, as well as a DVD player and a USB port. In summary, the interior of the 2023 Rolls-Royce Ghost MANSORY is nothing short of spectacular. From the use of high-quality materials to the state-of-the-art infotainment system, every detail has been carefully considered to provide the ultimate in luxury and comfort. Whether you're driving around town or embarking on a long road trip, the Ghost MANSORY's interior will make you feel like royalty. The car is powered by a 6.75-liter V12 engine that delivers an impressive 720 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meter of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth, effortless shifting. The Ghost MANSORY also features all-wheel drive, which provides excellent traction and handling in a variety of road conditions. The V12 engine in the Ghost MANSORY is a work of art. It's hand-built in-house by the skilled engineers at Rolls-Royce and is known for its smooth, refined power delivery. The engine is also very efficient and provides an excellent balance of power and fuel economy. With this engine, the Ghost MANSORY can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Ghost MANSORY also features an advanced exhaust system that is designed to enhance the car's performance and sound. The exhaust system is made from high-quality materials and features a sporty design that adds a touch of aggression to the car's appearance. The exhaust system is also designed to reduce back pressure, which improves the engine's performance and efficiency. The exhaust has a deep and powerful sound that adds to the car's overall driving experience. The Ghost MANSORY also features advanced suspension technology that provides a smooth and comfortable ride. The car is equipped with an air suspension that automatically adjusts to the road conditions and provides a stable and comfortable ride. The car also features active roll stabilization, which helps to reduce body roll and improve handling. The Ghost MANSORY also comes with a four-wheel steering system that helps to improve maneuverability and stability, especially at high speeds. One of the most impressive features of the Ghost MANSORY's powertrain is the car's advanced traction control system. This system is designed to provide excellent traction and stability in a variety of road conditions and can be easily adjusted to suit the driver's preferences. The system also features a variety of different driving modes, including comfort, sport, and custom, which can be easily selected via the car's infotainment system. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. We would love to hear your thoughts on the new model in the comments below. Please let us know what you liked about the vehicle and if there's anything you would have liked to see differently. We value your feedback and look forward to hearing from you.